Hello everyone. In the previous video we successfully rendered our blade template into the PDF. So now the time is to render a very beautiful template. So let's go to the bbbootstrap.com website. So this is the free template, so you can get this from this bbbootstrap.com website. So I will also add the link in the description. So we are going to render this template into our PDF file. So let's click on this HTML and we are going to copy all of the HTML and CSS from there. So I lost this snippet, so let me go to the top and copy it again. So I'm going to copy this from top to bottom, and let me copy this out, and let's go to the project, and in the index blade I'm going to remove this one, and here I'm going to paste this one. So basically it will print the same thing as it described here, right? So I'm going to render this into our PDF. So how to do this? So let's go here, and here we are returning this index file, right? So this index file, so we don't need to do anything. It will generate this very beautiful template into the PDF. So for now, before it's generating this one, but now it's going to generate a very cool very cool PDF. So let me open this generate PDF, hit enter, and yes, it's downloaded this PDF. So let's click on this, and yes, now it's opening this out, welcome, and then it's adding the image here. So image is not displaying, and then it's rendering their other stuff, their buttons, their href. It's containing this href link, so you can also go to this website, and also containing this unsubscribe button. So it means that it's everything is having the same instead of image. So we are successfully able to render this template into our PDF, right? So let's go here, and now the time is to fix this image issue. Why its image is not rendering here? Because you need to manually fix this issue. But before this, I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to apply the styling on this template. So I will do this in the next video. Let me check the video size, and yes, video size is not going bigger, so I'm going to do this in this video. So let's go here in the index file. Let me find the welcome here. So this one is a welcome, and then this welcome contains nothing. So let me add an ID here. So I'm naming this welcome ID. Let me name this welcome, and then I'm going to assign this a color, right? So this would be an ID, and here I'm going to assign it a color of red. So I'm going to tell you that how you can add your style sheet into the PDF, right? So save this one, and let's go back and execute this again. So it's going to make this as red color, right? So let's open this out and wait for a moment, and yes, now it's in the red form. So it means that we are successfully able to add the style into this PDF file, right? So you can add whatever your styles here. So basically before this, I'm also adding these styles here, and it's successfully executing this style. So you can also pass the JS stuff here, and it will execute as it's executing the PDF, not PDF, it's executing the style. So it means that we are successfully able to render this beautiful template into our PDF, and then we are successfully also able to do the change its styles through CSS. So in the next video we are going to fix this image issue. So I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.